Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Young's Talent. Today in this video I will discuss with you trigonometric ratios. There are three basic trigonometric ratios, that is sine, cos and tan. So now I will share with you how to calculate these values by simply using a right angled triangle. So before calculating or deriving the formula for calculating sine, cos and tangent theta, we must know how the triangle was formed from where we get the values or the trigonometric ratios. Firstly, we will draw the xy axis. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Draw a vector quantity or a force, say R. Its reflection on x-axis will be like this. Its reflection on y-axis will be like this, which will be equals to this. So we will say it as y because it is the y reflection on y-axis, and this angle will be theta. So when I draw this triangle without xy axis, it will be as this was our resultant force, that is R. This was our x axis reflection and this was our y-axis reflection, and the angle between these was theta. If I give each corner a name such that A, B and C, so this will be the triangle from where we are going to derive the formulas or the values or the ratios to calculate sine, cos and tangent theta. So first of all, using this triangle, we will calculate the value of sine. So sine theta is equals to perpendicular over hypotenuse, or you can write it as sine theta is equals to perpendicular, that is BC, over hypotenuse, that is AC, which can be further written as y over r. And from this formula you can calculate sine. Now to calculate this theta, you can use the formula theta is equals to sine inverse y over r. Now using the same triangle, we will calculate the value of cos, that is cos theta is equals to base over hypotenuse, which can be written as cos theta is equals to base, that is AB, over hypotenuse, that is AC, respectively, which can be further written as cos is equals to x over r. Here you can calculate the value of theta, which will be theta is equals to cos inverse x over r. So this is the formula for calculating cos, and this formula can be used to calculate theta in terms of cos. Now to calculate the value of tangent theta, we will write tangent theta is equals to perpendicular over base, which can be written as, in terms of the triangle, as perpendicular, that is BC over base AB, which can be further written as tangent theta is equals to y over x. So this formula is used to calculate tangent theta. Calculate theta from this formula, we will write the formula as theta is equals to tan inverse y over x. You can calculate tangent theta by using another formula as well. That is, if you know the value of sine theta and cos theta, you could calculate tangent theta by the following formula. Tangent theta is equals to sine theta over cos theta. So tangent theta is equals to sine, that is perpendicular over hypotenuse, divided by cos, which is base over hypotenuse. So if I write this formula as, or this expression as, perpendicular over hypotenuse multiplied by hypotenuse over base, so we can cancel out this and it will become equal to perpendicular over base. And in terms of x, y and r, you can write it as tangent theta is equals to sine theta over cos theta, that is tangent theta is equals to sine, which is equals to y over r, divided by cos, which is equals to x over r. So tangent theta will become y over r multiplied by r over x. R and r will be cancelled, and tangent theta will be equals to y over x, which we have already calculated. So you can also say that y over x can be derived, or tangent theta is equals to y over x can be derived by using this expression. So as a preview of my lecture, there are three trigonometric ratios, as I have already discussed with you, which are sine, cos, tangent. So the formula to calculate sine is sine theta is equals to perpendicular over hypotenuse, which can also be written as y over r. Cos theta is equals to base over hypotenuse, which can also be written as x over r. And tangent theta is equals to perpendicular over base and hypotenuse from sine and cos is cancelled. And it can also be written as y over x as r, and r is cancelled. And I have already told you how to calculate tangent in another way, that is tangent is equals to sine theta over cos theta, which is equals to perpendicular over base, and further can be written as y over x. And another thing I will explain or re-explain how we have formed the triangle. That is, if we plot the xy axis such that this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis, and we take a resultant force or any force, say r, so its reflection on x-axis will be like this, and its reflection on y-axis will be like this, which is equals to this. Known as theta. So if you draw the triangle without the xy axis, it will be as, that is the resultant force, this is the y component, this is the x component, and this is the angle between, the angle theta between r and x along the x-axis. So this was all for today's video. I will make another video explaining the inverse, or how to calculate the inverse of the trigonometric ratios, which I explained today. But for today, this was all. Meet you all next time. Allah Hafiz.